Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here they given boron trichloride. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. Here to find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. Steric number is V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. V is valency of boron. B is bonded chlorine atom. So there are 3 chlorine atoms. So 3. So if you substitute in the formula, you have steric number 3. The lone pair is 0. So H is 3 means sp2 hybridization. So sp2 hybridization is trigonal planar. So BCl3 is trigonal planar. You can realize the structure of the molecule by easily the 3D animation. So the hybridization is sp2. Shape is trigonal planar. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.